Come closer, my love. I can't see you.
Gang, gang. You know, we're gonna take you on our journey today with us. You know?
Yeah, we're gonna chill out in Orlando for a second. Where you going, mama? Get it!
We're going shopping in Orlando, so I gotta be stylish.
What's your?
To
The world's largest McDonald's.
Yeah.
Where you going in my seat for?
I thought this was Daddy's car again.
Oh, okay. That's true.
My second time doing it.
That's okay. You have hand sanitizer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You look so cute, mama. Let me see your outfit. Wow. You look so adorable. Okay. All right, Vincent. You look all stylish. Where you going? That's how you dress all the time? Okay, I like the fit. Aye. Honey, what are you looking for?
Gang, son.
Family up on the line. Come closer, my love. I can't see you.
Gang. You know, we're gonna take you on our journey today with us. You know?
Yeah, we're gonna check. So my kids, they like to travel with their pillows and blankets.
A road trip.
Exactly.
Be everywhere. See First Lady. Check out First Lady. Check out First Lady outfit of the day. First Lady, give me a spin.
I hope you guys like my outfit of the day.
Hey, drop.
Guys, so we stopped to put some gas in the car before we touch the road.
Oh, just turn it like that. Same way.
Don't broke it to nothing.
If you ain't got a ticket, you ain't got a chance. If you gotta get a ticket.
Oh, he gotta play his lotto. If you wanna buy him something, buy him some lotto tickets. You gotta know everybody. Alright guys, so where we are right now is we're not too far from the Orlando airport. Can you see? You probably can't see it.
Orlando International Airport.
Yeah, Orlando International Airport. We have a story time about that. But we're not too far
From our
journey. We're not going to tell you where we're going right now. It's a surprise. When we get there, you will see. But we're about 15 minutes away, and this is how Orlando looks. It's a little bit more city-like. The buildings are a little bit more taller, more action. You know, Universal is here, Disney's here, SeaWorld is here.
Everything is
here. Everything you can think of is in Orlando. I don't know if you guys can see it over there, guys, but there's a water show over there.
We're not going to that. The alligator not that.
Too much bush. I'm sorry, guys.
Probably when we come back.
Yeah, we're coming back. No, but we're not taking this way. Too much toll.
Too much toll. Orlando got so much toll. That's the only problem. The tour.
Yeah. Yep. If you're in Florida, please, okay, do not jump in no water thinking you can go swimming.
Even that too.
Okay? No open water.
Nothing.
Don't jump in there. Don't put your feet in there. There's alligators everywhere, people. There was this guy from Jersey who came on vacation and decided to jump in the water and go swimming. And shark, yam him up.
Shark, alligator.
Alligator. And that me I say, I'm confused. I'm still tasting the 2 times spicy sauce.
Dry fell short.
So
Drive for sure when you're sleeping. Or drive fell short. You can learn to drive. Drive fell short. You sleep on everything. When you get in the car, you sleep. So you sleep, so you yum.
This is where we're going, guys. The world's largest McDonald's. It has 8 floors.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
What drive-through?
We're gonna park, guys, and we're gonna go tour the McDonald's and see if it's
what
nice
everybody talking about.
What everybody talking about. But yeah, man,
Big
4
one.
floors. I heard they have pizza, cake, all kind of nonsense. So
We're going there now.
we're gonna go in there and see.
Here go your vacation. Welcome to all you can eat. Welcome all you can eat McDonald's.
Okay, this is nice. So you got some drinks over there. Okay, so they make the drinks for you now because of COVID. You can't do it yourself. And it has 8 floors. Oh, they have the cake station. Wow. I don't like chocolate, but that does look good. Oh, and they have ice cream. You know, there's none in there right now. Wow, this is really nice. What daddy want? What's your mama?
I wonder if this is a big place. You probably have breakfast, like waffles.
Probably. No, they have pizza. This is a fish tank.
Okay.
They have the fish tank. Look at that, guys. So everyone has their mask on.
I'll go top.
Yeah, go to the second floor, see what's up there. Oh, wait, honey. Let me check this out.
Yeah, I was looking at that over there too.
They have a lot of seating area, guys. And they have, oops. Wow, they have a pizza station, guys. Look at that. You can make your own pizza. Wow. Can you see? The glare from the, you can make your own pizza. Ooh, that smells so good. Mama. Wow. Look at that. You see the oven? They make pizza for you. I don't have your... Okay.
Oh, they got a game up here.
Wow, guys. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the McDonald's sign. This is nice. Nice view while you're eating. And remember, guys, there's 8 floors.
There's
There's 8 floors. Oh, this is the arcade section. Wow.
I heard that they had
Wow. After you eat, play some games. This is in McDonald's, you guys. In McDonald's. That's crazy. And I guess this is if you win. Unfortunately, this is closed. Huh?
smaller than the ones that I usually see.
Why they said it was 8 floors? I guess it is 8 floors, but with the yeah, not 8 floors. But this is big. This is still nice. Daughter versus father. Ooh, Tamia. $49. Final score, 109. I don't either.
So I won.
So where your ticket there?
I'm thinking that.
Where your prize?
I'm prize. Me.
Oh.
It doesn't give you tickets. This is nice, family. It's our first time coming here. You know? I'm holding the camera now.
We're the kind of family that loves sports, so we love excitement, and so is Thea. Richie's very competitive. You see how quick he wanted me to play because he knew he could beat me. You see I'm still. Oh! 5-3. You got beat.
Family, I scored 3 goals by myself.
Vincent, 5. You're 5, son. Yeah, you did good. Oh my God, you're being nosy. I think that's bacon. That look like mushrooms. Broccoli? What is that? Let me see. Let me get closer. It's kind of blurry.
That is just like, what do you call it? Muds.
Yeah. Oh, the waffles. She's making another waffle. See, guys? She's putting some more batter.
Is that real food in that fish? Or is it a pizza?
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, looks like real food though. Real food.
Oh, and then they put butter on the edges. Ooh, the waffle. Ah, you see the waffle? Ooh, I wish I could go closer. The waffle looks so good. That waffle looks good, Vincent.
McDonald's?
Yeah, McDonald's.
No, I was saying that sounds so weird.
Hey family, so this is what we have. This is the Belgian waffle that Vincent got with chocolate chip. Sorry, he got it with chocolate chip and whipped cream.
So where's yours?
That's how it looks. No, I just want to try a piece of Vincent's. And this is Tamia's pizza. Look how good that looks, guys. This is from McDonald's.
From McDonald's.
Look how good that looks. You should have got that. And then my husband got a Big Mac and large fries.
Still on yam, so yam.
It's kind of dark, guys. And then I have a
Fish sandwich.
fish sandwich with fries. Yeah, I don't eat burger, as you guys know. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat, and we'll see you at the mall. Oh, we're not going up at the Mayo? That's where y'all move?
Yeah, but the first.
Don't pick up nothing.
Don't pick up nothing.
The first.
Oh, it's a food truck.
Oh.
They ain't got to do no more school shopping.
I know.
Go ahead,
Yep.
slipper one.
Oh my god. Next time one goes to
Hi, how are you?
She said something, but then she doesn't. And she was like, what you say? He said nothing. Oh my gosh, I have so much stories. I'm gonna keep telling them. Okay. So we won the fireball.
You see? We're Nikes, guys. We're Nikes. We're Nike. This is the second store that we shopped in. Okay, guys, we're here in Charlotte Russe. Charlotte Russe.
This is a cute overall dress. Remember when we were like fighting the spices?
Yeah. It's $10. They have some good sales in here. Oh, that's nice.
You like stuff like that? My favorite store right here now. You know, H&M. Everybody gets something except me now. It's my time. Everybody with bag. Watch it going to H&M. See what H&M do right now.
We just left out of Adidas. No, Charlotte Russe. Oh, I don't know why I like this.
Grandma. And there was a dress like this, but it was denim, and it was like shorter, probably like right here. It was really cute.
Yeah?
I didn't find something like that.
What, grandma?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're coming back and say all the things.
Oh, okay.
First lady bought me a gift. She said I've been a good mukbanger. She bought me a gift.
You're full of
I
chat.
like it. Thank you, First Lady.
You're welcome, my love.
Yeah.
All right, so we came here window shopping.
We're supposed to be window shopping. And look, that's what happens when you take kids.
Yep. Now one bag for us. You see that? Oh, sorry guys. See? Now one outfit for us.
Not even one. You know you gotta stay mask up. You know how it is in the hood, you know? Mask up.